Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're not aware, I already have a Beauty and the Beast tutorial, but because I've gotten way more into cosplay in the past year, I got the full outfit and a better wig and everything. Last time I did an everyday Disney look, so this time it's going to be more princess-like. The other tutorial I have, I'll link down below, is definitely more wearable on an everyday basis. This tutorial right here is going to be for parties. It's also very wearable as well. It's very natural, but this one's more glam if you want to wear this at Disney World, if you're cosplaying Belle, if you're going to be Belle for Halloween or any time of costume event. This is a tutorial I would use instead of my old one. It's just better, more updated. So I actually have the dress and everything. You'll see that in my Living with Cosplayers tutorial. It's not a tutorial, but it's just like a vlog. So this is just my updated like bougie Belle video. I plan to do this with a few of my earlier Disney looks that when I just started my Disney series, it was very low key and I didn't know how into it I was going to get. I didn't know I was going to be buying costumes. I just like fell in love with it in general. So I will be doing I know for sure this is my first updated one, which is Belle, and I am going to be doing an updated Ariel one of these days. So don't expect it anytime soon. I need to order the dress. Cosplay is expensive, but I do want to do an updated Ariel look. So anyways, I am taking the Dido Cosmetics palette right here, and I'm taking this gold shade. I love these palettes. They're super pigmented, and they're all like $10, which is insane, and they're just so easy to carry around, and like I said, pigmented. I just used my finger. Also, I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette and taking this burnt orangey color. And this is how I've been liking to do my Belle makeup when I do cos Belle, or like if I want to go to a party as Belle, because I have a niece and she does have princess parties, so they usually have me to do that. And also, if you didn't know, I was a singing princess of San Antonio. It's just like this thing that Disney does. I don't know, but so I was Belle. So this is how I do my makeup. They picked me as Belle. I don't know why they didn't pick me as Ariel, but whatever. So I don't know. Then I'm taking this shade right here just to blend those two shadows together. And I just love this combo. It's so pigmented and really pretty. So then I use my Gilded Honey highlighter and I'll pop that in the inner corners. And I'm going to wipe off my bake because that's how you get fallout out, and it's just good bakeage. So then I'm taking Chickadee by Makeup Geek and I put this on my cheeks. I know that's weird. It's an eyeshadow, but I feel like Belle has a really warm look. And last time I gave her a peachy, more pinky rosy look, but this time I'm giving her more of a warm blush color. But trust me, I am going in there with another pinky blush. I think I showed. If not, oh well. I think I'm highlighting my nose here. Yeah, I'm using Gilded Honey to highlight my nose. I guess I didn't use another pink color. I just wanted a peachy glow. When I went to Disney World and Disneyland, I saw a lot of them had their cheeks like this. So that's where I get inspiration from. Then I'm taking these blowout lashes by Kiss for my eyelashes, and this is all I do. No crazy eyeliner. So I told you it's still very wearable, but this is just my updated version. I know some of you guys who don't really care for Disney looks are probably like, why are you doing another Belle look? Like I said, wanted it updated and prettier. So here are the lashes. They're really long. That's why I said it's not as everyday look, but it's still so pretty and wearable. I did put in some contacts, and they're from TTDI, I think. And for the lips, I'm using Faux Allures Chestnut, and this is the perfect Belle lip color. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. I've been using this for my Ariel and Belle looks. I just absolutely love it. I'll show my cosplay account towards the end so you guys could follow it in case you're interested. If not, here is the updated version of Belle. Love the wig, love the dress. We're ready to go. I just got this chip cup for Christmas too. I wish I filmed it or later, but oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated Belle look, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!